In today's recipe, guys, I'm going to show you how to make the best brown stew fish recipe, Jamaican style. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make some brown stew fish Jamaican style. Stay tuned. So for today's recipe, guys, I'll be using 2 yellowtail snapper. Nice and proper. I already cleaned them up and everything. Wash it with some lemon, some fresh lemon squeeze on it, and it's all good. So over here, I have my seasoning, right? So I have some Maggi fish seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and some better pack curry powder. Yeah man, Jamaican style. So we're gonna jump right into the video, start seasoning up the fish, and we should be good to go. All right, so go ahead and combine your seasoning. Once it's fully blended, then we're gonna go ahead and season the fish. Add some seasoning right there. And then we're gonna season the inside of the fish, inside the stomach in a few seconds. Yeah, man. Rub it up. It's gonna be so good. All right, time to season up the inside of the belly. Rub it in, nice and proper. Make sure the inside is nicely seasoned, packed with a bunch of flavors. You don't want your fish to be bland, no flavor and all them something there. All right, so now we're gonna get our skillet ready, get the pan ready nice and hot, add some oil to it, and then we drop the fish right in. Yes guys, so now we're gonna drop in the fish them. And we're gonna fry the fish, guys, until they are nice and crispy on both sides. Then we're gonna remove it from the oil. Drain off some of that oil, add some sugar to the pan, burn it, add a little soy sauce, and then we're gonna add our other ingredients, all right? All right, guys, we're gonna flip them over. Yes, guys, so now we're gonna add our brown sugar. And we're gonna burn the sugar, guys, until it becomes like dark, pretty much black, all right? Because right now we're making our browning sauce. Yes, guys, so after burning your brown sugar for about 1 minute, this is what it should look like, nice and black. Then we're gonna add some soy sauce just to add a little saltiness to it, add some water as well. And then we're gonna add our carrots, grated ginger, some garlic, and some butter. So right here I have some bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, tomato, and some red onion, all right? So we're gonna drop that right in the pot same way, bring everything to a boil, and then we're gonna drop in the snapper them same way. Yeah, man. Drop it in and cook it down for about 10 more minutes. Yeah, man. At this point, guys, I'm also gonna add some barbecue sauce, a decent amount, We're trying to balance out the flavor right now because since we made our browning sauce from scratch, it's a little bit bitter. So we're gonna balance out the flavor by adding some barbecue sauce and some extra brown sugar to it, just to, add that nice little sweetness to it, all right? And then we're gonna let it simmer for a few more minutes. Yes guys, so this is our finished product right here. Our brown stew, yellowtail snapper, Jamaican style. Yeah man, brown stew fish. Yeah, so we're gonna dig right into it guys, and I'm gonna let you know how it turned out, alright? So let me take a quick bite. Ooh. Get a little bit of everything, you know? Little sweet pepper, bell pepper, you know, the fish, you know, well seasoned, you know. Wow. This is perfect, guys. Natural, you know, fresh ingredients, you know. This is super easy recipe to make at home, guys. So let me know how it is. If you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.